The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for northern Tarrant County in north-central Texas until 11:30 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 9:31 a.m. Central Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across northern Tarrant County. Radar estimates up to 1.5 inches of rain have fallen so far this morning, with observed rainfall rates of 2 inches in 1 hour. More thunderstorms moving into the area the rest of the morning could produce additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fort Worth, Flower Mound, Euless, Bedford, Grapevine, Haltom City, Keller, Coppell, Hearst, Southlake, Watauga, Colleyville, Benbrook, Saginaw, White Settlement, Azle, Trophy Club, Richland Hills, and River Oaks. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.